because I love her. If I don't love her, I don't care. If you like squeeze your face like say rubber wey fire burn, it's none of my business. But because of the relationship, the love, the value, the place she is in my heart, because of who she is in my heart, brother, sister, squeezing of her face give me restlessness. I become restless. So I treat her with value. I treat her with respect. I handle her with care. I handle her tenderly, kindly, gently. I handle her like egg. When you handle egg, you don't handle egg roughly. I handle egg like what? Gentle, kindly, tenderly, so that it no go break for my hand. Don't you understand?
Yes.
That is love. What do I call it? Now, if you're a married man here, please stand up. Don't be offended. Stand up. You are a married man. Stand up. How do you handle your wife? No answer you. You and your God both are just like Islam. How you dey handle your wife? How your wife be for your heart? Oh, when I marry her, I love her. But the character where I come dey see, e come dey irritate me. You know say everybody get good character and bad character. Inside you as a man, you no get your own bad character. Answer me now. Your papa never flog you before. Wetin make your papa flog you when you dey for your papa house? No be your character. Papa Idoro, your papa never beat you before. He don beat me. You, your papa never beat you. He beat you. You get good character na him dey beat you. The bad character wey make dem beat you, e don comot. Let's tell ourselves true. But your papa never beat you. Or your senior, maybe your papa no dey alive. Your senior brother never use cane on you. So your oga never quarrel with you. You get good character na your oga vex with you. You get good character na your uncle flog you that day. So no matter which woman you marry, e get where she good, e get where she no good. Na love na im dey change person. Na love na im dey make somebody change. If I do this thing to my husband, my husband no like this thing. My husband no like this thing. Because of the way my husband dey treat me. Even when I do wrong, the way we think they handle me, I must change. I must not do this thing. That is what? Changing her by what? By love. We change people by love. We don't change people by character. Man, you really love your wife. How you dey treat her? So you know, see some of us, when we go to work, honestly speaking, before we go to work, we go give that woman money. Man, buy fish, buy crayfish, buy everything. Na wetin I tell you. But for our office, the person wey dey sell food, we dey owe am because of the cow leg wey you dey chop for office. Cow leg wey you no dey carry dey come home. Cow leg wey you no drop the money make dem cook am for your house. She no sabi cook. If she no sabi cook, dem dey go school to learn how to cook. Abi?
Yes,
they dey go school to learn how to cook. You help her. You don marry am, you don. Well, what do? You help your wife become what she's supposed to become. Wetin you want. The reason why the papa no train am finish na because the papa no know who to marry him daughter. So he was not training his daughter to do what? To suit you because he does not know you. Do you understand that now? The papa, the mama train her as dem be. Wetin dem like, you fit no like am. The papa be say you like ogbonosu well well, you teach your wife how, your daughter how to cook ogbonosu well well. But you like egusi soup. So the papa they don't teach her how to do egusi soup. So it is now your duty to help her understand what you like because you are not the papa, former papa. You are a husband papa. So you teach her. Are we talking?
Yes, sir.
Are we learning something? If we get common sense, we will get common peace. We will get common joy. If you dey find fault always, are you tired of standing?